coastal and outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., an area of showers was located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Pine Beach to 11 nautical miles northwest of Ship Bottom, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Ship Bottom, Marmaget Light Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Ford River, La Valette, Marmaget Light, Garden State North Reef, Seaside Park, Pine Beach, North Beach Haven and Point Pleasant Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in